Good morning, students. Dear students, while traveling by the road, have you ever seen the big roadside billboards whitewashed with just the two letters inscribed on it? To let. And sometimes the phone number and contact details are also given on it. Yes, in your day to day life, you have seen it so many times. But do you know the meaning of this word? Dear students, the two words to let usually refer to a property. It can be residential, industrial, or commercial, which is available for rental. And in other words, we can say that to let means to rent or to lease a property. Dear students, if you want to be an expert in drafting advertisements, so you should read classified advertisement columns of leading newspapers because newspapers are flooded with the wonderful examples of classified ads. So don't forget to read the classified ad column of leading newspapers and it will help you to enrich your vocab. Next, we have 5 examples that I have taken from a newspaper and it will help you to enrich your vocab and it will make you understand this topic in a better way. So, dear students, let's have a glimpse of these ads. Please note down the things. The very first, that they should attract the attention of the readers. So it means it should be meaningful and interesting. Then they should be drafted in such a way that they attract the readers to go through them. Next, our language should be simple and effective. Next, they should always be brief and to the point. So, dear students, while making use of all the points that we have just discussed, we will be able to draft these ads. Now, before discussing this topic, how to draft an ad based on this topic to let, we have to keep the following points in our mind. We always begin with available or wanted. Then we have to state the type of accommodation to let or required on rent. Then give a brief description of the accommodation and it includes size, floors, number of rooms. Then we have fixtures and fittings, location and surroundings. Then we have to mention rent expected. And the last one is your contact details. Now we have a question based on it. Here, Anurag or Aparna, he or she wishes to let out a portion of his or her newly built house. And keeping in mind the word limit that is only 50 words and we have to draft this advertisement in the to let column of the Hindustan Times. And here we have to give all the necessary details like location, then type of accommodation, then expected rent and our contact details. So let's solve this question. Dear students, read each and every word carefully. Step number 1 is your heading and you will get 1 mark for the same. So our heading here is to let. Now my first question, that what is available on rent? So here available on rent basis the ground floor and it is already given in the question that it's a newly built house. Then 3 bedrooms with attached baths. It means here we have to make our ad interesting or attractive by adding more and more points, but don't forget that our points should be relevant. So class, here we will mention the number of bedrooms, then drawing room, then kitchen, and before kitchen we can add one word that these days modular kitchens are quite common, right? Then whether parking facility available or not. Sometimes we mention that east facing, sun facing, or right in front of the park. So we have to add all these points here one by one. Then after discussing all these points, we will mention the expected rent, and that is around 10,000 to 15,000, it depends. Then our preference, to whom you prefer, nuclear family or college going boys or girls or government officers, right? Then don't forget to mention your contact details. You have to mention your phone number, your name, and your contact address. So in this way we will be able to complete our question. Now I will share a worksheet. Dear students, you have to test your skills now. All of you have to draft 2 ads and send the pictures to me. Thanks a lot everyone.